Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring prepositions at the B2 level. Prepositions are crucial in English because they help us show relationships between words, such as location, time, direction, and manner. Mastering prepositions will make your English sound more natural and help you express yourself with clarity and precision. So, let's get started first off. What exactly is a preposition? A preposition is a word that comes before a noun or pronoun and tells us where, when, or how something relates to something else. Common prepositions include words like in, on, at, for, with, about, to, and under. For example, in the sentence, the book is on the table, on is a preposition that tells us the location of the book. These words are small but incredibly important for creating clear, detailed sentences. Let's look at a few examples of prepositions in different contexts. If we're talking about time, we could say, I'll see you at 3 p.m., where it shows the specific time. Or, if you're discussing location, you might say, she's in the kitchen, wherein gives us the location. Prepositions like in and at are great for adding more specificity to your statements. Prepositions are also useful for talking about direction. For example, if you're giving directions, you might say, go to the end of the street, where to indicates the direction. Or if you're showing movement, you could say, she walked towards the door. Using prepositions like to and towards helps make instructions clearer and more direct. One interesting thing about prepositions is that they're often used in phrases and idioms in everyday English. For example, if something is very easy, you might say, it's a walk in the park. Or if you're expressing excitement, you could say, I'm on cloud 9. These phrases add color to your language and make your English sound more fluent. Prepositions are also necessary for talking about relationships between people or things. For instance, this gift is for you shows who the gift is intended for, and she's talking about her new job tells us the topic of conversation. Prepositions like for and about help make your sentences more specific and informative. You'll find prepositions all around you in everyday conversation. Pay attention to how they're used when people talk about places, directions, and feelings. For example, if you're meeting a friend, you might say, I'll meet you at the cafe, or if you're excited about something, you could say, I'm really looking forward to it. Using prepositions correctly will help you express your ideas more naturally. If you enjoyed this episode and want to keep learning, please remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps more people discover our show, and we'd love to hear how these episodes are helping you with your English. Thanks for listening. And I'll see you next time on Hello Word.